Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some hairstyles you could do with only two things. Rubber bands. I only have two like little ones that usually come in a hair pack, and a shoelace. Okay, let's get started.
What are you doing? You want to but you can't let go. What are you doing? You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you used to call, hit me up, yeah, just to talk, telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a messing up. Laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake got her extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating pills when I run out of mine. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. It's something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened. You crazy for me, no control. Spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets on the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Yeah, I'm gonna need. What are you doing? You can't give the feeling up. Thinking about us. Riding through the city and I'm missing you. Now I'm reminiscing on stupid shit when we couldn't afford a lift and piggyback and me 3 blocks when my feet hurt. Bet you off of this boulevard. We really since been apart, nothing but a hurt from the start. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. Yeah, something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened. You're crazy for me, no control. Spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets off the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Said I'm gonna need. Word on the street is that you're talking to your old girl. Bet she can't do it like me. No, she could never be MC. Ain't that the reason that you're missing from my phone though? Bet she can't do it like me. No, she could never be MC. Off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened to being crazy for love. Switched it up and now I know I'm not.
So thank you guys for watching, gems. These are some of the hairstyles you can do with just a rubber band, a shoelace, and your hair. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how you feel, and I'll see you next time. Bye, gems.